Welcome to the GEP Roundup, a monthly lowdown from the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space, so you can stay up to date on everything you need to know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it covered.
Welcome back to the GEP Roundup, your fast, fresh monthly lowdown on what's shaking up procurement and supply chains around the world. I'm your host, Alex, and today's episode is packed with big shifts, smart insights, and GEP's bold moves you don't want to miss. Let's start with the global picture. First up, GEP Outlook 2026 is out, and it's a must-read. It explores what's next for procurement and supply chain leaders as AI ramps up, workforces lag behind, and resilience becomes the new ROI. If you're navigating inflation drop-offs, tariff shakeups, or just trying to prep your team for autonomy, this is your blueprint. Meanwhile, the latest GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index shows spare capacity remains high, especially in North America and Asia. Translation, a buyer's market is brewing. Now might be the time to lock in those favorable supplier terms. Now, onto some big GEP wins. Procurement Magazine just ranked GEP the world's #1 procurement transformation partner. We're talking end-to-end consulting plus powerful platforms equals unmatched results. That's how we do it. And speaking of game-changing technology, GEP Key is redefining enterprise procurement with orchestrated agentic AI. Forget process breakdowns and task juggling. GEP Key's intelligent agents keep workflows humming and decisions moving. Read the new GEP Bulletin to learn what orchestration looks like in practice and how agentic AI workflows eliminate the interruptions that cost time, clarity, and momentum. Data troubles holding back your AI game? You're not alone. 6 in 10 leaders say their procurement data isn't cutting it. Check out our on-demand webcast with GEP's Sonali Bhavsar to find out how to clean up your data and accelerate AI transformation fast. One last thing. Do you have a plan B for your supply chain? Whether you're going global, regional, or hybrid, GEP's latest bulletin breaks down how to build resilience with smart data and scenario-based planning. Oh, and don't sleep on Germany's new e-invoicing rules. We've got the breakdown on what it means for your systems and teams. That's a wrap for this month. All the links we mentioned are in the description below, so go dive deeper. If you liked this episode, smash that like button, drop us a comment, and hit subscribe so you never miss a beat in the world of procurement and supply chain. Thanks for tuning in to the GEP Roundup. Until next time, stay strategic, stay smart, and stay ahead.